Primetime News this evening. Deepening rift. Opposition expresses no confidence in the Prime Minister as statutory declaration saga takes legal turn. Matthew Samuda promises quick results to some issues in northeastern St. Anna. And the EOJ says plans are underway to clean up the country's voters list.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, General, there's a strike in the U.S. at some ports, but how will that impact your cargo coming by sea? I'll have those details later on.
Thank you, Keisa. Yesterday was a saga in sports, and you know they're dramatic over there.
Yeah.
So I'm going to ask Jordan, what's happening today? Has it toned down?
Yeah, all right. I'll tone it down a little bit for you today, the big show, Archie. Not a saga this time, but the West Indies women losing their second warm-up game, their final warm-up game before the Women's T20 World Cup. A little bit of a worry. I'll have the details in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
All right, we'll take that. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the no confidence motion tabled by the opposition against Prime Minister Andrew Holness?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.